band today, and we are going to be mostly on the floor. So grab your band, whether you have a mini band or you have one of the bands that you can tie together. That's what we're going to be using today. If you don't have a band, many of these movements you can do without. So go ahead and find your space and crank up some tunes. Make sure you have your water bottle or whatever you might need to be comfortable for this morning, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So just to get rolling here, I'm going to have you go ahead and go on your hands and knees. Some breaths in, some breaths out. We're just going to start warming up by just doing some cat and cow. So I'm going to have you look up to the sky. Big breath in. Exhale, breath out. Push those shoulder blades to the sky. Chin to the chest and belly button towards your nose. So big inhale for me. And we exhale. Two more big inhale in. And we exhale. Inhale in. And exhale down. Good. Let's go ahead back to all fours. And I'm going to have you take your elbow pits forward. So you're in a nice, strong, all fours position. Good. From here, what we're going to do is I'm going to have you take out that right leg. Yep. So right leg is out. Breath in, breath out. From there, we're going to crawl back and we're going to come into a nice side plank. From here, we're just going to hold that leg up. Good. From there, we can go ahead and pulse a little bit, keeping that leg up. Inhales and exhales. From that arm that way, we can actually stretch that arm out. Getting a nice movement within that side. Good, let's hold up. Let's stretch. If you'd like to place your leg down, you can do that as well. And let's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back, meet me in all fours. Reposition, take those elbow pits forward. Breath in, breath out. Switching sides, coming to a nice position, plank position here. Good, we can reach up. Here's a great spot. You can bring that leg up, and we're just gonna pulse open. Good. And we're gonna go for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Good, hold here. Breath in, breath out. Good, coming back to all fours. Breath in, breath out. From here, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna bring that leg up and back down, up and down, side one and side two. So again, if you don't have a band, you can still do this movement. My hips are square to the floor. If you do have a band, that's just a little bit extra love, a little bit extra tension that we're getting. Good, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides, here we go. Kicking that up. Good. My band likes to move and crinkle and twist. That's completely fine as long as you're still getting that tension. Hips are still square. Using your butt. Good. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, coming back to all fours. From here on all fours, in between our strength, we're just gonna get some stretching. So pushing out, thinking about wagging that tail. I'm pushing out side to side. One more on each side. Back to center. And I'm gonna come up and just redo my band a little bit. Good. Then we're gonna come back on our back side. So from here, I'm gonna have you, you're holding your body up, so nice strong upper body, okay? I'm gonna hover my butt, put my heels together here, hover my butt, I'm gonna open and close. Open and close. Good, and as I close, I'm gonna resist that resistance. Good, 3, 2, hold open for me. We're gonna hold here, squeeze that butt. Pulse it out. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, release down. Shake it out a little bit. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Beautiful. Next, we're going to come into reverse tabletop. Good, so hands, so fingers are towards my butt. Taking my butt up. We're going to hold here. Nice hold here. Thinking about holding the quarter between the butt cheeks. Nice hold. Good, 4, 3, 2, moving on. We're going to rock our hips down onto our heels and come right back up. So we rock down, hips up, down and up. Good. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Up and hold for me. Squeeze the quarter between those butt cheeks. Strong legs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, release. Shake it out a little bit. Breath in, breath out. Good. I'm going to take that band and I'm going to put it to my mid-shin. My mid-shin. Okay? From my mid-shin, I'm going to bring those legs up. Okay, up nice and tall. Feet are flexed. And I'm going to push out and back in. But I want to keep tension on the band. So out and in. Good. Here we go. 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're holding it out. Hold. 8 pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Bringing it on down. Good. From here, pulling it back up. Coming down to our back. Good. Hands can be out to the side, reaching for our heels. Let's pop up on our shoulder blades. Shoulders are away from the ears. We're going to just come up and back down to come right back up. Good. Lots of these exercises are really good for your pelvic floor. For those of us who have had babies, or have a weak pelvic floor, you might find when you jump or when you sneeze, you have some uncomfortable things happen. Many of these movements are really good for that. So save this workout. 4 more. We're on number 3, 2, and 1. Good, hold it up for me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it on down. Breath in, breath out. Good, let's take that band off. We're just gonna add a couple more stretches. Let's take those toes together. Hips are onto those toes, and we're gonna push down to a nice child's pose movement. Breath in, breath out. If you can hear chirping, that's Cloudy and Peanuts, our parakeets. Good, resetting into this pose, taking a couple of breaths, letting the hips open. Good, breath in. As we exhale, we're gonna come back up into nice all fours. Okay, we're just gonna do some circles with our hips now. So I'm bringing up, leg up and around. Good. So here comes our mobility. Mobility movements. Good. Give me one more in this direction, then we're going to stay same side, switching directions. So I'm going to kick up, open, and down, like I'm peeing on a fire hydrant. Good. I'm going to try to keep my hips square to the mat, so I'm just moving that one side. One more on this side, then we'll switch. Good. First, we're coming up towards our knee, opening up that way. So, knee, fire hydrant, sky. So that circle, knee, fire hydrant, sky. Three, 2, 1. Now we kick sky, fire hydrant, elbow. Three, 2, 1. Good, one more time. Now we got into those, pushing it down into our child's pose. Breath in, breath out. Sitting back on those heels. And kind of shift from side to side. See where it feels good. Fill everything up. Big breath in. Exhale. Let's come on up. Nice job. We did great this morning. It's a great 15-minute. If you want to go through that again, you certainly can. But this is a good 15-minute working on those glutes, working on that pelvic floor. And all we need is a space on the floor and a resistance band. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.